radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather, the test is postponed until the first available weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter may occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting locations in portions of West Kentucky, Southeast Missouri, Southern Illinois, Southwest Indiana, and Northwest Tennessee. This concludes this test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. We now return to our regular programming. The current time is 10:03 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Looking at the latest weather maps, hot and humid conditions will result in a heat advisory today with the index readings around 105. There may be some brief relief where thunderstorms occur. A warm front will live through the area today, followed by a cold front-side regions. Which is a little dependent for the right side of forecast this week. Taking a look at your for existing severe weather, the test is postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, may occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting locations in portions of West Kentucky, Southeast Missouri, Southern Illinois, Southwest Indiana, and Northwest Tennessee. This concludes this test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. We now return to our regular programming. The current time is...
Okay, now as I was just sitting here, turning off the radios, while I was touring the test. Everyone else is turned off there. And I was listening to the Bohemian Rhapsody mini on Synthesia. No, I'm not sponsored by that. Yeah, that's the test for you. And I would like to make an announcement. Now, you might have heard of Cameron Boyce, right? He was the star in Jesse. You know, Luke. Well, you probably might not have heard of that show, but it was on Disney Channel. He unfortunately passed away about 3 to 4 days ago when he suffered a seizure while he was sleeping, and that's what his family told him. But they're doing an ongoing investigation, so that's kind of tragic with him. So, rest in peace, Cameron Boyce. You will be missed. You know, you're a really good star. So, I'm going to go ahead and mute my television, and it will take a silence for about 1 minute. And you know what? Alexa, set a timer for 1 minute. Yes, Tom and Jerry's playing on TV, and I don't care about it, so shut up. This WR100 never activated, so many to fix that problem. Yes, I got the 12500 and another 12249 and correct radio. Although the correct one didn't work. Sorry if I'm speaking, but I made some silence. So I'm just whispering to you guys. Black and silver. Alexa, stop. Well, there you go.